Hi guys, welcome to our 5th video lesson in algebra. This is our last lesson in this series, but I've had to break this lesson down into 2 different parts. So the first part is what you're going to be seeing in a few minutes, and the second part will be uploaded soon. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. Few things to recall about fractions from elementary mathematics. 1. When adding and subtracting fractions, if we have common denominators, we can simply add or subtract their numerators and use the common denominator. For instance, if we have 2 over 3 plus 2 over 3. Now in this case, 3 is a common denominator to both fractions, so we can simply add their numerator. Hence, we have 3 as the denominator, then 2 plus 2 at the numerator. Now when we add 2 to 2, we have 4. So we have 4 over 3. Now case 2. If we have different denominators, we make an equivalent fractions of both using the LCM of the denominator. Then we can add or subtract the numerators. Now in this case, if we have 2 over 3 plus 1 over 2. Now in this case, their denominators are different. We have 3 and we have 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? That will be 6. 6 becomes the new denominator. Then we use 6 to divide 3. That will give us 2. 2 multiply 2 and we have 4. That will be 6 divided by 2 to give us 3. 3 multiplied by 1 and we have 3. Hence, we can add 4 plus 3 to give us 7. So our new fraction is 7 over 6. Now, another case is when we are adding a fraction to a whole number. When we have a fraction and a whole number, we make the whole number a fraction as well. Then continue with either of the previous steps. Now, that is to say, if we have 1 over 2 plus 3, we make 3 is a whole number, so we make 3 a fraction, and we can simply do that by writing it as 3 over 1. So we have 1 over 2 plus 3 over 1. The LCM of 2 and 1 will be 2. So if we take 2 divided by 2 gives us 1. 1 multiplied by 1, we have 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So it means we have 1 plus 6 divided by 2. So 1 plus 6 will give us 7 over 2. Alright, so those are some of the things we just need to recall from our knowledge in common fractions. Now, but this knowledge can be applied to algebraic fractions. So let's quickly see how we can apply them to algebraic fractions. Example 1. Simplify the following. 4x over 9 plus 8x over 9. 2. 4 over 3a minus 1 over 3a. 3. 1 over 3x plus 1 over 5x. 4. 1 over z minus 1 over 2z. 5. 2b plus 3 over 4. 6. 3 over c minus 2 over d. And 7. 5 over 4a minus 2 over 3b. Alright, so our solution will look like this. 4x over 9 plus 8x over 9. Observe that the denominators are the same, which is 9. So we can simply add their numerators. That will leave us with 4x plus 8x. So when we add 4x to 8x, we have 12x over 9. Also, observe that 12x and 9 have a factor in common. So it means we can simplify it further. 3 will divide 9 and we have 3. 3 will divide 12 and we have 4. So at the numerator we're left with 4x, so we have 4x over 3. In number 2, we have 4 over 3a minus 1 over 3a. Still in this case, their denominators are the same, which is 3a. So we can go ahead and subtract the numerators. There we have 4 minus 1 over 3a. So when we subtract 1 from 4, we're left with 3 over 3a. Also, the denominator and the numerator have something in common, so we can divide 3 by 3 and we have 1. So in the end, we're left with 1 over a. Alright, so in number 3, we have 1 over 3x plus 1 over 5x. Now in this case, their denominators are different. So we'll find the LCM of 3x and 5x. Alright, so the LCM of 3x and 5x will be 15x. Then we divide 15x by 3x. That will give us 5. Next, we multiply 5 by 1. That will give us 5. Next, we divide 15x by 5x. That would give us 3. 3 multiplied by 1, then we have 3. So we can go ahead and add the numerators now. 5 plus 3 to give us 8. So we have 8 over 15x. In number 4, we have 1 over z minus 1 over 2z. Also, we find the LCM of z and 2z. That would be 2z. Then we simply divide 2z by z. That would give us 2. Next, we say 2 multiplied by 1. Then we have 2. Also, we say 2z divided by 2z. That would give us 1. 1 multiplied by 1, and we have 1. Therefore, 2 minus 1, we have 1 over 2z. In number 5, we have 2b plus 3 over 4. Now, this is the case of adding a whole number to a fraction. First, we'll make the whole number a fraction by just simply writing 2b over 1. So it means the denominators now are different. So it means we now have to find the LCM of 4 and 1, which is 4 itself. So 4 divided by 1, we have 4. 4 multiplied by 2b would give us 8b. 4 divided by 4 would give us 1. 1 multiplied by 3, and we have 3. Alright, so we have 8b plus 3 over 4. Now we cannot simplify 8b plus 3 further. So our answer remains 8b plus 3 over 4. Now in number 6, we have 3 over c minus 2 over d. First, the LCM of c and d, that will be cd. Now cd divided by c, we have d. d multiplied by 3, we have 3d. cd divided by d, we have c. c multiplied by 2, we have 2c. So at the numerator, we have 3d minus 2c. Also, we cannot subtract 2c from 3d, so we cannot simplify it further. Therefore, our answer is 3d minus 2c over cd. Alright, so here's a quick exercise for you to do. Okay, so there you have it. Alright, so just like I said earlier, the second part of this lesson will be uploaded very soon. Alright, so leave a comment to tell me how you feel about this lesson, and you can also like and subscribe to this channel. See you in our next lesson. Thank you.